Mastering reed positioning, a key to excellent music. Hello and welcome, music enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of wind instruments, focusing on the crucial concept of reed positioning. Whether you're a budding musician or just curious about how wind instruments produce their captivating sounds, you're in the right place. Before we explore reed positioning, it's essential to understand what reed instruments are. Instruments like the clarinet, saxophone, and oboe fall under this category. They produce sound when air is blown across a reed, causing it to vibrate. The reed's vibration is the heart of the sound production in these instruments. Reed positioning refers to how the reed is placed and secured on the mouthpiece of the instrument. It's not just about placing the reed onto the mouthpiece, it's an art. The position of the reed affects the quality of sound, the ease of playing, and the overall musical expression of the instrument. 1. Aligning the reed. Ensure that the reed is aligned with the mouthpiece. The tip of the reed should be in line with the tip of the mouthpiece. 2. Securing the reed. Use the ligature, the clamp that holds the reed in place, to secure the reed. It should be tight enough to hold the reed firmly but not so tight that it stifles its vibration. 3. Adjusting for comfort. Every musician is unique. Adjust the positioning slightly to what feels comfortable for you, keeping in mind that small changes can make significant differences in sound. Proper reed positioning can drastically improve your sound quality. It affects tone, the clarity and richness of the sound; pitch, the accuracy of musical notes; responsiveness, how quickly and easily the instrument responds to your playing. Ignoring the reed's condition. Always use a reed in good condition. A worn-out reed won't perform well, no matter how perfectly it's positioned. Over-tightening the ligature. This can choke the reed and stifle its vibration, leading to a poor sound. Neglecting personal comfort. What works for one musician may not work for another. Always consider your comfort and ease of playing. And that's a wrap on reed positioning. Remember, mastering this skill is a journey, and every small adjustment can lead to a big improvement in your musical expression. Keep practicing, stay patient, and most importantly, enjoy the beautiful journey of music making. Until next time, keep those reeds resonating.